Hi guys, welcome to this session on Microsoft Project. In this module, I want to show you how you can create lead and lag time and how you can show that in a critical path. Also, how you can create or show multiple critical paths. So first of all, if I click on the Gantt Chart format option and tick critical tasks, all of these 4 tasks you can see there are now critical. If I link these together, so 1, and then link this one to 3, so 2 separate sets, they're all critical. Now if I move that one forward into next week, this one no longer is critical in terms of the project. However, you might want this set of tasks which are not linked to this first set of tasks to be showing as critical. Now to do that, you have to go into File, Options, and once you get into File Options, you need to go to the Advanced option and then scroll right down to the bottom of that, and then you've got the option there to calculate multiple critical paths. And if you click on the end there, it tells you what that means in terms of critical paths. So ticking that box and then clicking OK. Now they both go red, they both show red because they are both critical in terms of this little demonstration. However, if I suddenly link all this together by clicking a link to task 2 there is only one critical path now because they're all part of the same thing. Take the link out and I get the critical path. Another way to show a critical path or force a critical path to be displayed is to use a lag. Now first of all, I'm going to put this back to the default settings. So if I go File, Options, and then back to the Advanced option, I'm going to take that tick off that I did before. So now there's only one critical path. Click OK to that. You can see that that is no longer showing as critical. But if let's just get rid of 2 of these tasks. And then if I move this one forward, say to the 9th, this task is no longer critical. But if I want that to display critical because that's say drying time for concrete or something, I can actually force that to happen by putting a different link in there using the lag feature. So let's just double click into this task B to show you where that is. So it's linked to task A, lag is on 0. If I put 5 Ds in there, there's a 5-day lag. Now it's all showing red. The whole thing's showing red because I've got this tick still. Now if I bring this task has moved, you can see it there. Look, if I just come back into this and double click and put this as soon as possible, because it's shifted forward, take that date out. OK, and do the same with that one. So they're both on the default options. As soon as possible, get rid of that date. They come back. So you can see there that there is 5 working days between these two. That's the lag. So this shaded out, I'll just colour that in so you can see it a bit better. You can see it better now. That is the weekends. So there's a 5-day lag there, which is, if I push this one forward, that's always going to go and be a 5-day lag. But it's also showing the critical path. So we've done 2 ways. You can have multiple critical paths by ticking that option on in File Options, Project Options on the Advanced tab, or you can force it to show a critical path by using lag time, which is what I've just done there. So this is just a very short video on critical tasks and critical path and using the lag to force that to happen. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next one.